In this episode, we will be learning how to share Zangi number. To share your Zangi number with others, first of all, open your Zangi application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. Once you end up in the official homepage of Zangi, go ahead and make sure that you're inside the Chats tab at the bottom left. Your unique Zangi number will be displayed on the screen. Simply go ahead and tap on the little arrow button right next to your Zangi private number, and you can share it manually via text, email, or messaging apps. Choose any contacts from the messaging application or simply share your number with one of your contacts popping up at the top. And once you do that, you will be able to see your number displayed in the message thread. Go ahead and send the message to one of your friends via any social messaging application or your text message option or email. And when you share your number, let the recipient know to use the search feature in Zangi to find you by entering your Zangi number. And after you do that, you will then be able to share your Zangi number with others. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.